How are my medical bills paid? And what is personal injury protection? We are really fortunate in the state of Oregon that we have some really great laws that are designed to make sure that when you are injured in a motor vehicle collision, that your bills will be paid no matter how the collision happened or who is at fault. Think of your automobile insurance policy as a little bit like a book. And most books are divided up into chapters, right? Well, one of the chapters in your insurance book, your auto insurance book, provided it was from the state of Oregon, is something called PIP, P-I-P, or Personal Injury Protection. Think of it as like a mini health insurance policy that's wrapped around the car that you are in, whether it's your car or a friend or family member's car. Whatever car you are injured when a collision happens, the insurance for that car will pay your medical bills for 2 years up to a maximum of $15,000 worth of medical treatment, whichever is first. So, and this is per person in the car. So there's 5 people in the car. Each person has $15,000 worth of coverage at a minimum up to $15,000 worth of coverage. And that's great news. That will pay for any medical treatment you need because of the motor vehicle collision. And it's even better than health insurance because oftentimes in health insurance, you have deductibles, you have co-pays, you have to get permission or a referral from your medical provider to see another provider, or there may be limitations as to how many PT visits you can have, or massage therapy visits, or chiropractic visits, if it even covers those forms of treatment. So if you're involved in a motor vehicle collision, and as long as the car that you are in has insurance, even if the driver says, I only have liability coverage, doesn't make a difference. By Oregon law, it has to have PIP in it. So get the medical treatment that you need so you can have a full recovery as quickly as possible, and don't worry about how the medical bills are going to be paid.